Hello, welcome to Whiz Kids. Whiz Kids is a quick recall academic competition for 4th and 5th grade students from area schools. My name is Dave Duda and I will be your moderator. Even though the teams are familiar with the rules, I would like to state that although Whiz Kids is similar to Governor's Cup, it is a Hardin County Schools competition. Today's contestants are from Lakewood and Morningside Elementaries. Now let's meet the team members and coaches from Lakewood.
Aubrey Hodge is a 5th grade student at Lakewood Elementary School. Aubrey is the 10-year-old daughter of Kevin and Mary Beth Hodge. Aubrey enjoys Beta Club, cheerleading, knitting, and playing with her sister. When she grows up, Aubrey wants to be a vet. Preston Meredith is a 10-year-old student at Lakewood Elementary School. Preston's parents are Jason and Leslie Meredith. Preston enjoys academic team and board games. Preston would like to be an inventor when he grows up. Sam Nelson is a 10-year-old student at Lakewood Elementary School. Sam is in the 5th grade and the son of Dan and Ricky Nelson. Sam enjoys board games and Connects Club. When he grows up, Sam would like to be an engineer. Carter Reinhardt is a 4th grade student at Lakewood Elementary School. Carter is the 9-year-old son of Phyllis and Kelsey Westfall. Carter enjoys book club and playing basketball. When he grows up, he would like to be a Kaizen engineer for Yamato. Miss Taylor has been teaching for 11 years. She lives in Rineyville with her husband. She has two daughters and a son. Miss Taylor enjoys spending time with her 2 grandsons. Miss Abel has been teaching for 7 years. She lives in Elizabethtown with her husband and children. Miss Abel enjoys reading and spending time with her family.
Now let's meet the team members and coach from Morningside.
Liz is an active 5th grader. She's involved in her church, youth group, and various plays. Gus is in the 5th grade. In his free time, he plays on his phone as well as sports. Sadie is a 5th grader at Morningside Elementary School. She likes to travel and play soccer. Hayden is in the 5th grade. When he is not playing sports, he likes to read. Mr. Henson is in his 3rd year as coach. He enjoys all sports.
Coaches, you may return to your seats at this time. Teams, are you ready? Contestants, remember you may interrupt the reading of a toss-up question by buzzing in. However, if the answer is incorrect, the question will be reread in its entirety for the opposing team. Teams may confer on bonus questions, but the team captain must give the response. Remember, the bounce back bonus will be in effect. All questions are worth 1 point and each half is 10 minutes long. The first question is a toss-up for either team. What adjective can indicate someone who is smart or something that gives off a lot of light?
Lakewood, Hodge.
Bright.
Correct. 2, bonus. Simplify 12 minus 6 minus 2 plus 3.
Plus 3.
Incorrect, Captain.
11.
Incorrect, 7. 3, toss-up. How many eighth notes are in one measure of 3/4 time in music?
Lakewood, Meredith.
6.
Correct. 4, bonus. What is the capital of New York?
Albany.
Correct. 5, toss-up. A potentially devastating ecological problem may result from the practically unchecked clear-cutting of the enormous rainforest in what country of South America?
Lakewood, Nelson.
Add 14.25 and 0.536. Time, Captain?
No answer.
14.786. 7, toss-up. This example illustrates what form of literature? When is a door not a door? When it's ajar.
Morningside French.
A joke?
Incorrect?
Lakewood Hodge.
A riddle?
Correct. 8, bonus. The Smidleys have a gorgeous Samoyed that lives in their house. This only presents a problem about 3 weeks a year when the dog loses about 10 full bags of hair. Name this annual hair loss.
Shedding?
Correct. 9, toss-up. What is the term for the height above sea level of a parcel of land?
Lakewood Reinhardt.
Island?
Incorrect. Time, elevation. 10, toss-up. Instruments such as the tuba and trumpet are made mainly of what metal?
Morningside French.
Brass.
Correct. 11, bonus. Of all the stars in the universe, which is closest to Earth?
Sun?
Correct. 12, toss-up. What is the title of the elected chief executive of a U.S. state?
No.
Morningside French.
Governor.
Correct. 13, bonus. What line comes next in this verse from a song in The Wizard of Oz? She's gone where the goblins go, below, 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 yo-ho. Let's open up and sing and ring the bells out. Ding dong, the merry-o, sing it high, sing it low. Let them know.
Who's to go?
Incorrect, Captain?
We're off to go see the wizard.
Incorrect. The Wicked Witch is dead. 14, toss-up. Earth's land surface is 57,500,000 square miles, while its water surface is 139,400,000 square miles. What is the total surface area of the planet? Time, 196,900,000 square miles. 15, toss-up. This is from what story by Dr. Seuss? I do not like them in a box. I do not like...
Lakewood Hodge.
Green eggs and ham?
Correct. 16, bonus. What letter is left out of this line read in a Cockney dialect? The orn of the unter is erred on the ill.
H.
Correct. 17, toss-up. Add these mixed decimals. 14.003 plus 279.9 plus 0.0036.
Morningside Fisher.
297.053.
Incorrect.
Lakewood Reinhardt.
293.003336.
Incorrect. 293.9066. 18, toss-up. The Mediterranean Sea and what strait separate Europe from the African continent? Time, Strait of Gibraltar. 19, toss-up. What verb means to make a solid or a gas disperse into?
Morningside, Fisher.
Freeze.
Incorrect. I'll reread the question. What verb means to make a solid or a gas disperse into a liquid?
Lakewood, Meredith.
Condensation.
Incorrect. Dissolve. 20, toss-up. This line is from what song? A penny for a spool of thread.
Lakewood, Meredith.
All around the mulberry bush.
Incorrect.
Morningside, Shorey.
Pop Goes the Weasel.
Correct. 21, bonus. What is the fractional equivalent of 1/6%? Incorrect, Captain.
No answer.
1/600th. 22, toss-up. Complete this quatrain. A horse and a flea and 3 blind mice sat on a curbstone shooting dice. The horse he slipped and fell on the flea. The flea said, "Whoops."
Lakewood, Hodge.
Z.
Incorrect.
Morningside, Fisher.
I hurt my knee.
Incorrect. There's a horse on me. 23, toss-up. What bird is described in this excerpt? The body and part of the neck being of a dark brown, the upper part of the neck and head is covered with a white sort of down, whereby it looks very bald, whence it is
Lakewood, Hodge.
The bald eagle.
correct. 24, bonus. These lines are from a ballad about whom? Born on a mountaintop in Tennessee, greenest state in the land of the free, raised in the woods so he knew every tree, killed him a bar when he was only 3.
Daniel Boone.
Incorrect, Captain.
Abe Lincoln.
Incorrect. Davy Crockett. Toss-up. What continent includes Central and Eastern Russia, the countries of the Arabian?
Lakewood, Nelson.
Asia.
Correct. 26, bonus. What adjective indicates the type of energy that comes from the sun?
Solar energy.
Correct. 27, toss-up. What is the least common multiple of 4 and 5?
Morningside, Shorey.
20.
Correct. 28. Okay, at the half, the score is Lakewood 11 and Morningside 5. Welcome back to the second half of Whiz Kids between Lakewood and Morningside Elementaries. During the half, the following substitutions were made. Joining the team from Morningside Elementary are Kennedy Carter and Ryan Spencer. Teams, let's begin the second half of today's competition with a toss-up question. If the 30 Years' War ended in 1648, in what year did it begin?
Lakewood, Nelson.
1678.
Incorrect. Incorrect.
Morningside, French.
1618.
Correct. 2, bonus. People of what faith worship in synagogues?
Catholics.
Incorrect, Captain.
No answer.
Jewish. 3, toss-up. A written account of Ronald and Nancy Reagan's life together as written by their daughter is what form of literature?
Morningside, French.
Biography.
Correct. 4, bonus. What is the term for each lump of irregularly shaped ice in a hailstorm?
Hail.
Incorrect, Captain.
Gothel.
Incorrect. Hailstone. 5, toss-up. What are the prime factors of 12?
Morningside, French.
6 and 2.
Incorrect.
Lakewood, Nelson.
3 and 4.
Incorrect. 2, 2, and 3. 6, toss-up. At the same time that Christopher Columbus took command of the Santa Maria, Martin Pinzon took command of the Pinta, and Vicente Pinzon took command of what other vessel? Time, the Nina or Nina. 7, toss-up. What country is the setting for the story that begins as follows? As soon as Aunt Det had disappeared, Heidi's grandfather went back to his bench and sat there without saying a word while thick clouds of smoke floated upward from his pipe. Time, Switzerland. 8, toss-up. What is the basic metric unit of length?
Morningside, French.
Feet.
Incorrect.
Lakewood, Hodge.
Measurement.
Incorrect. Meter. 9, toss-up. These are all what kind of characters? Lamb Chop, King Friday the 13th, Howdy Doody, Baby Sinclair, Elf, Kukla, Punch and Judy, Elmo, Kermit, Charlie McCarthy.
Lakewood, Hodge.
Fiction characters.
Incorrect.
Morningside.
Oh.
Morningside, French.
Fictional characters.
Incorrect. Puppets. 10, toss-up. Dingoes and wallabies are native to what continent?
Lakewood, Hodge.
Australia.
Correct. 11, bonus. Name the sunken area in front of a stage where the orchestra sits during ballets, operas, and musicals.
Pass. No
Incor-
answer.
Captain?
Cockpit.
Incorrect. Pit. 12, toss-up. What is the term for a cultivated stand of fruit or nut trees?
Lakewood, Hodge.
Orchard.
Correct. 13, bonus. It has been changed only 27 times in over 200 years. This oldest written national constitution is the law of the land in what country?
No answer.
Captain?
Africa.
Incorrect. United States. 14, toss-up. Express the number of units in a baker's dozen as a Roman numeral.
Lakewood, Hodge.
12 dozen.
Incorrect.
Morningside, French.
CII.
Incorrect. XIII. 15, toss-up. According to the proverb, 2 wrongs will not make one what?
Morningside, French.
Right.
Correct. 16, bonus. What electrical unit equals 1,000 watts?
Kilowatts.
Correct. 17, toss-up. The body of water first seen by Vasco Balboa was given what name by Ferdinand Magellan?
Morningside, Shorey.
The Pacific Ocean.
Correct. 18, bonus. What season is described in these words by Emily Dickinson? The morns are meeker than they were. The nuts are getting brown. The berry's cheek is plumper. The rose is out of town.
Spring.
Incorrect, Captain?
Fall.
Correct. 19, toss-up. 1 7/8 divided by 1 7/8 equals what?
Morningside, French.
0/8.
Incorrect.
Lakewood, Hodge.
2 7/8.
Incorrect. 1. 20, toss-up. Name the ballet about a young girl's broken Christmas present.
Morningside, Spencer.
The Nutcracker.
Correct. 21, bonus. A sentence should begin with a capital letter and end with a period, a question mark, or what other punctuation mark?
Exclamation point.
Correct. 22, toss-up. 45% of 105 equals what?
Lakewood, Nelson.
60.
Incorrect. Time, 47.25. 23, toss-up. Name the final decision of the jury in a court of law.
Lakewood, Hodge.
Guilty.
Incorrect.
Morningside, French.
The jurisdiction.
Incorrect. Verdict. 24, toss-up. What term includes all of the forms in which water falls to Earth from the atmosphere?
Lakewood, Meredith.
Condensation.
Incorrect.
Morningside, Carter.
Precipitation.
Correct. 25, bonus. These composers were citizens of what country? Antonio Vivaldi, Niccolo Paganini, Claudio Monteverdi, and Giacomo Puccini.
No answer.
Captain?
Italy.
Correct. 26, toss-up. To what founding father does this poetic excerpt by Stephen Vincent Benet refer? Made a pretty kite and flew it in the air to...
Morningside, French.
Benjamin Franklin.
Correct. 27, bonus. Used with stringed instruments such as banjos, guitars, and ukuleles, name the sweeping action in which a fingernail or plectrum brushes past several strings to play a chord.
Strum.
Correct. 28, toss-up. Rings are to Saturn as canals are to what planet?
Lakewood, Nelson.
Earth.
Incorrect.
Morningside, French.
Mars.
Correct. Bonus. What sea was named by Christopher Columbus after the Carib Indian tribe?
The
Okay, that is the end of the match, and the final score is Lakewood 15 and Morningside 16. Congratulations to the winning team and to both teams for an excellent competition. Join us for our next Whiz Kids competition.